Hello, my name is Skylar Fair, and I will give you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a chatbot. Step 1, type Google Dialogflow Essentials in the Google search bar. Click on the link click on the link Dialogflow Google. Click on the menu bar on the upper left-hand corner. As you can see, I already created a chat box, but I will be creating a new one for the sake of this tutorial. Click the down arrow and you will see the option to create a new agent. At the top where it says agent name, you will put the name of your chat box. I will name this test bot. Also, you will not be able to leave space between the name. Instead, add an underline in place of the space. For example, test_underline bot. Click create. Once you have created a name, click on the menu bar. There you will find your bot. You will also find your bots under view all agents. Click on your bot name and you will come to the page where you will begin to create your intents. Intents are mapping between a user's queries and actions fulfilled by your software. You can create your intent by either click create intent, create the first one here, or clicking default welcome intent. When you click on default welcome intent, it will have suggested training phrases. Training phrases are example phrases for what end users might type or say. You can delete all or specific ones by hovering over the right side and clicking on the trash can. You can add a phrase and add user expression box, type your phrase and hit enter on your keyboard. Move down to responses. There you will type a response to any of the training phrases above. Here you'll see suggested responses, and again, you can always delete those and enter or customize your own text response. Here I will put hello, I am a test bot. Will you help me? Question mark. And then you click save. You can also customize the title of this conversation. So I will put introduction and click save. Always hit save anytime changes are made before leaving the page. Click on the menu bar, click intents. You will see your first intent. In order to follow up on this conversation, click add follow up intent and then custom. Click on the new follow-up intent and rename. The new training phrases will be a response to the response from the bot. In this case, the end user will either say yes or no. In the scenario, I will put yes. Save. The training phrases that I will add is yes, sure, okay. And the response here, I will put thank you, exclamation point, how am I doing so far, question mark. So anytime the end user responds with any of these training responses, the chatbot will respond with this response here. Remember to always click save. Return to intent and create a follow-up custom. Click on the custom. You are going to name this response yes, and in the event that the end user will respond that you're doing well. So I will add phrases like great, good, pretty good, awesome. And my text response will be great to hear. Thank you for your help. Have a great day. Click save. And also, when you come to the end of the conversation, you will want to click set this intent as end of conversation. And again, click save. Go back to intents. Now, if you wanted to create a response, if the end user put no, you will click on your first intent, create a follow-up, click custom, click on introduction custom, respond, and then no. So if the end user puts no, no, then you will respond with, that's okay. Nice speaking with you. And this will be the end of conversation. So click save. And I will also like to go over entities. Now, entities are described as system entities that can match many common types of data. For example, there are system entities for matching dates, times, colors, email addresses, and so on. You can also create your own custom entities for matching custom data. For example, you can define a vegetable entity that can match the types of vegetables available for purchase with a grocery store agent. So the terminology, the term entity, is used in this documentation and in Dialogflow console to describe the general concept of entities. When discussing entity details, it's important to understand more specific terms. Entity type defines the type of information you want to extract from your user, from user input. For example, vegetable could be the type of entity. And then your entry for each type of entity, you will create entity entries. So you will provide a set of words or phrases that are considered equivalent to that entity type. So I will demonstrate here. create the first one. So like in the example, you will click here and your enter reference value will be, say, vegetable. So you will click here for the synonym for it, which will be corn is considered as a vegetable, beets, let's see, carrots. Anything that you put in here will be a synonym for the title vegetable. Now, we won't save that, but in order to test out our chatbot, we will go to back to our menu bar, scroll down to integrations, press OK because we don't need to save it. We just want to move on. From here, you're going to scroll down to web demo. Enable. And then you are going to click on the hyperlink and you will start the conversation from here. So as we add it to the training phrase, we'll put hello. And as you put in your intent, your bot will respond, hello, I am a test bot. Will you help me? So let's say we say yes. Thank you. How am I doing so far? And again, you can put good. Great to hear. Thank you for your help. Have a great day. Now you can also change your response. And then when they ask for help, you put no. And again, you'll say, see here, it says, that's okay. Nice speaking with you. I also would like to take the time out to explain default fallback intent. Here is if, for example, the end user types something that your bot doesn't recognize. So then it will respond with any of these responses here. So I will go back to my demonstration and show you there. So say if they say hello and let's say blood pressure, it will respond with a default saying, say that one more time, because our system does not recognize it. So this is the end of my tutorial on how to create a chat box.